Considering downsizing your home?
Today, we talk about the 6 benefits of downsizing your home.
Whether you're an empty nester, seeking financial freedom, or just looking to simplify your life, today we're going to explore the benefits of downsizing. I'm Vickie.
And I'm Jim, and we're with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Orange County, California.
Today we're going to explore the 6 incredible benefits of downsizing. Whether it's for financial freedom or just making your life simpler, we're going to show you how to do it.
Stay tuned and we'll show you ways that you can unlock this new chapter of your life, and it might be just for you.
We'll start out with financial freedom.
So a smaller home typically has smaller utility bills, smaller mortgage, or perhaps no mortgage, potentially lower property taxes, and less maintenance. If you only have to paint a 2,000 square foot home instead of a 4,000 square foot home, that's just gonna cost you less.
The second biggest reason is reduced maintenance. Reduced maintenance is huge when you downsize.
Well, it can have not only the financial benefits, but also time benefits.
Oh, yes.
If you have a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home to clean, and now you're in a 3-2, you're gonna have less time cleaning or spending less on a house cleaner. So less maintenance extends both inside and outside the home. All the things that you have to maintain, they're just less of them.
Which means you can get them done quicker and for less money. The third reason is for a simplified lifestyle, and we have helped so many clients again and again move from these big homes into smaller homes, and let me tell you, the smile on their face is just amazing. Simplified life is really worth it.
Yeah, sometimes you're forced to purge a little bit, and that box that you've had in the attic for 27 years that you haven't opened, you're now able to let go of that.
With all the costumes, you mean that one? Or the one with the games?
So one important thing to remember is even though you're downsizing, it doesn't mean you're downgrading. We have a lot of clients who have bought more upgraded homes that are just simply smaller, and then others who take the opportunity to remodel a smaller home to their taste.
And the fourth reason to downsize is increased energy efficiency. If there's only 2 of you living in the house now versus maybe 6 when you had 4 kids, you can simplify by downsizing and increasing your energy efficiency.
Yeah, you simply have less lights to light up. You have potentially smaller heating and air conditioning units, less windows, just all these different factors that go into keeping your house running. You just have fewer of them to pay for and maintain.
The fifth reason to downsize is to simply just get a better floor plan that works for you, since all those kids are gone or you're just ready to get one that works.
So yeah, a lot of clients will downsize to a single story or a main floor master that, as they get older and either don't want to do stairs or can't do the stairs anymore, a single story home allows you more accessibility if your mobility is limited. So as your lifestyle changes and you don't have, say, little kids and homework nooks and maybe you're not even working at home anymore, that floor plan can change and better fit your life than what you've had thus far.
So in a downsize, maybe we get rid of the living room and we only have a family room. We don't need a kitchen with a humongous island that seats 12 people. Maybe we only need 2 or 4 around the island. So the floor plan and the fit is better, and downsizing doesn't mean it's not as good, it just fits your lifestyle now.
So another way to put it, instead of downsizing, is to right size.
Our 6th and final reason is for location flexibility. It might be time to move a few 100 miles away. Where is the family? Have they moved? You want to go with them? So location flexibility in a downsize is very important.
One great example is Steve and Margot. They downsized from a home to a condo. Because the condo is maintained by the association on the exterior, they can lock up and go visit the grandkids for months at a time, not have to worry about the maintenance, not have to worry about, taking care of the yard, lock the door and go.
Another great example of right sizing or downsizing is Bob and Gina. They sold their home here in California and they ended up going to South Carolina, bought a very nice home there, But with their extra money, they bought a vacation home on a private island where you can only drive golf carts. So there's all different kinds of reasons for just getting the right size home for you. Sometimes we've quote unquote like outgrown the home because the home has outgrown us and it's gotten just too large for us. So it's time to just get right sized in it. So we've addressed 6 reasons to right size or downsize. We do it all the time, guys. We see people moving from these really large homes into smaller homes, and it is just to get your life in the right size at the right time. It's a new age, a new stage that we're entering in a new chapter. So let's get you into the right size home. We're here for you. I'm Vickie.
And I'm Jim, and we're with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Orange County, California.
Have a great day.